Hi, good afternoon. I'm so glad to be here. So many people inside. Yeah, my name is Calvin, and I head up the mobile platform partnership team at Facebook for APAC. And today I'm going to talk about your business with Facebook, focusing on mobile and I'm going to focus on more mobile platform side today and how we at Facebook can help you to build, grow, and monetize and make money from your game. So now, more than 1.3 billion people using Facebook, and among those numbers, 1.1 billion, which is more than 83% of Facebook users are using Facebook with mobile. And 66% of Facebook revenue now coming from mobile, which means Facebook is now already becoming a mobile company. And Facebook is more than just a social network where people connect every day. And it's also a gaming platform. That's what I'm hearing. Gaming platform with incredible global reach and engagements. So in 2013, over 3 billion US dollar of purchases were made by gamer on Facebook, and we paid out 2.2 billion US dollar to developer. And we also had over 100 developers who generated over 1 million US dollar from Facebook gaming. And now we have 375 million people every month who play games with Facebook across web and mobile, which is a cross-platform. And these players, like 375 million players, generate over 700 million clicks every day. And this 700 million number is a 10 times of Thailand population. So all Thailand people has to click at least 10 times a day to make this number. And I can tell this is a really virtuous circle at which Facebook aim, because Facebook users are keep growing and they are playing more game and spending more money on Facebook gaming. And because of these two factors, one is number of users are growing inside of Facebook, and second, size of spending is also growing. So finally, what happened was a gaming developer are coming to Facebook. And why is Facebook is our question. So because according to the research from one organization survey, they asked the mobile app company which social solution mobile company think are the most effective at helping them monetize their application. And almost 75% of developers answered it's a Facebook. And second, they also asked the mobile app developers which media or ad platform do you prefer for user acquisition. And Facebook was also at the top of the results. And then for gaming side, what's this message for you? So we started to have more cross-platform partner after we proved with this study and results. We found that cross-platform player connected to Facebook tend to spend more money and more time on games than just a single platform player. And then we walked through the second study, motivated by the first one, was to see how moving across platform affected engagement rates for this player. And then we found that we have only 21% increase in engagements when PC canvas player come to a mobile. But we have a 40% increase in engagements when mobile player comes to Facebook PC canvas. So what is this telling us? So message is, if you are planning to launch or already within mobile games. And if your gaming is more close to RPG or mid-core or hardcore game, yeah, because mid-core hardcore is always better than just casual game for when it comes to cross-platform, because always a bigger size of screen from your PC gives better satisfaction for game player when play that game. So please don't forget, your game will have more high chance to succeed if you go with cross-platform with Facebook. And Facebook is providing Unity and Cocos 2D and 3D SDK, so you can easily extend to Canvas PC game. So far, actually in Asia, China game developer were leading this cross-platform momentum so far and making a lot of money. And then followed by Korea in Asia. And now Japan and Southeast Asia, even from Thailand, so many developers are moving right now to cross-platform. So, and when we work with mobile app developer, and Facebook is helping them with these three pillars that make the Facebook platform. They are build and grow and monetize, which means we help you build strongest application and game by providing Facebook mobile platform solution. And second, grow. We help you grow your application and user by providing highest ROI Facebook marketing solution. And third, monetize. We help you monetize your game by providing our solution, which is called the audience network. So let's go with the build. And today I'm gonna mostly focusing on a build side, since a lack of time, it's 20 minutes, and I have to cover like a 50 slide. So let's go with the parse first. Yeah, because if you look at a build pillar, actually parse is at the center of it. And what is parse? It's a cloud solution focusing on a mobile side. So it's called Mobile Backend as a Service, MBAS. So parse helps mobile application, mobile game developer, making your game easier on any of the platform. So when developer build your game application, or you need things like server and database and APIs. And on the client side, there's all kinds of boring things you have to deal with. You need a data model and push notification and caching layers and all sort of things for every major mobile platform. And finally, you have your game there up there. The things that really matters, like engaging user interface or useful functionality or unique contents. And this is the things you should focus on. And that slides up there, your game. Because after all, nobody's going to run to your friends and recommend your game because of the reason that your game is made with Java or C# or JavaScript or using HP server or EMC storage. User doesn't care about that, right? They do care only about the output, front end side, which is slides up there. So we built parse to solve this problem, and we give you everything you need to focusing on building great application that delight people without reinventing and doing same things over and over again. So yeah, we take care about the nuts and bolts. And networking, managing, server, scaling, so you can get to the fun part much faster. So basically, we have three products under Parse. We'll explain one by one. So first, what is Parse Core? It's from data to social and cloud code to hosting. We provide everything you need to build your application. And second, Parse Push. It's a service that helps you with better mobile application push notification, and cost is almost free until your application gets really big and famous. Yeah. And Parse Analytic, yeah, it's a retention tracking tool that gives you better insights about your user behavior. And this is 100% for free. So apply. register and feel free to experience this. At least first from parse push notification, it's almost free. And parse analytic tool, this is plain free. It can be better than that. And second product under the build pillar is Facebook login. Yeah, this is an essential thing actually. I don't need to explain about this. This is mandatory. Yeah, especially if you want to go global, it's more than 70% of penetration or 80% is the outside of Thailand or global Asia. It's all Facebook. Yeah, like this. Yeah, because it's #1 login system in the world with 7 billion login in 2014. And even right now, 80% of our top grossing application from Android and App Store are using Facebook login. And third is app events. We are also providing event tracking tool. So what is app event? You should know and learn what people are doing in your game and measure the performance of your Facebook app advertising. So now over 70% of Facebook app advertisers are using these app events and tracking their app users' performance and behavior. So you can tracking starting from the like a conversion measurements and create a high volume of advertiser. And you can tracking re-engagements and exactly the right user. And you can also tracking a demographic and analytic as well. So you might want to know who opens your game, right? And you might also want to know and also want to target user who complete the registration but not coming again. And how about the retargeting user who completed a tutorial and or someone who achieved the level or initiated a checkout but didn't actually purchase. And we'll have to differentiate our message, marketing message to those users depend on their action. And there must be a reason if the user cancel the purchasing. And then how do you approach these users with different message? And if user already purchased with a $10 and never spending again, yeah, this is problem, right? So what should be your second message for them? And you'll have to know whom to retarget when you do remarketing and advertising. And you will get all those users' information by putting all those parameters at the right place. So this is how you're saving your marketing budget and acquire a quality user and leading them to the right place where they will have to be. And next topic is our new program that launched last year, which is called FB Starts. And this is a startup program. And we already have more than 1,000 startup program who has been whitelisted from our side. And we're also looking for really good startup company. And then we provide some solution like this. We provide a startup with exclusive community and worldwide events and mentorship from Facebook. So basically we have up to 60,000 in free tools, not in cash. Yeah, and service from these 18 different company, which is really amazing. Yeah, you can use all these tools, solution for free, once you've been whitelisted from our side. Yeah, so apply now. Go to fbstart.com and yeah, once you've been whitelisted, then you can experience and start working with us. This is really cool program. And since we are having this conference from one of the Southeast Asia, which is Thailand, so I have prepared one case study from Southeast Asia market who is a big fan of a Facebook mobile platform. They are right now experiencing all of our platforms starting from parse and mobile app events and audience network, everything. And they are saving a lot of money. And then they are investing that money for hiring more people instead. So saving money from Facebook and use that money for other purpose. Yeah.
by a lot. Parse push, and we tested it out. I was wow, so amazing. I'm a business guy. I'm not an engineer. But then parse push interface was simple and easy to use enough. It makes us to go in there, choose the message I want, and send it. Bam. Actually, right now, we're doing nothing yet. Another thing that I really like about parse is how easily we can integrate with other services such as our own. So it's more important for us to be great users and really engage our users. We tend to pass and like it, especially the retention graph. And without that retention graph, I don't think that we want to do the feature at all. Right, do the beautiful job. So you after 7 days, 14 days, right, or even 1 day, how many users you keep using the applications. So Parse is a very integral part of our strategy to go global. Is that when you go global and you get more users, most important of all is the cost of going global. Right? If you get more users, then you can also get to pay more. And you are small startup in the developing country, that will kill you faster. Right? And that's the beautiful thing about using Parse for us is it helps us easily with all the SDK, not just inside Parse, but the front client SDK. Help us integrate easily on both iOS and Android. 300,000 daily active users, right? And we almost pay nothing to continue to reinvest in ourselves, growing and hiring and training more people, right? And that is very fantastic. It's very empowering. Yeah, one of our major concerns is the speed. It's fast enough for our users. We have no complaint at all. Basically, when we use ads network, we want to earn money. We care a lot about the costs. And when we switch to audience network, our revenue really increased greatly. Our audience network help us to really customize ad, and it looks beautiful. It's even ad beautiful. Can you mention that, right? So we recently got accepted into FB Star. So basically, we got a lot of benefits for a lot of different services. So a lot of credits to use cars and extra benefits for using Management as well. A lot of different services that help the startup to really accelerate their growth. And that's what I love about Parse and about Facebook is not only about the service that they provide, but also the support from behind the scene, all the people. Because for a lot of other big companies we work with, that's something that we don't really get is the support and human touch. Here with Facebook, FB Star and Parse, we get a lot of that. And in this day and age, the digital age, the human touch is not forgotten. And when we started using Bus, we first tried out with one of our applications. Actually, it's a very complex application to be.
Yeah, so now there are more than millions of applications in the market, and you are just one of them. Yeah, this is my final message. So how you can easily find the right user, and what's your strategy to fight with another games in order to get users' attention. So maybe I think today I delivered too much sales message, but next time it's not gonna be like this. So next time when I come again, and then Facebook will come up with a better story which are full of strategy in order to help you to win the Facebook user and Facebook platform, so that you can get a high quality user with spending less money. There'll be 10 features that we will deliver next time. So today, only 4 things to do. Yeah, as a summary. Yeah, first, yeah, build a cross-platform if you have interest in a cross-platform with the Facebook. And second, use a parse, at least starting from the parse push and analytics, since that's for free. And third, use app events to understand the action people take within your game. And fourth, sign up FB Startup program. Okay, thank you.